So I'm currently editing this video. I realized that I did not film a proper intro to this video. I'm sorry. So here I am just explaining that I'm just doing a St. Patrick's looks. Not even that hard to describe it. Obviously the title explains it itself. But yeah, I'm just doing a St. Patrick's look. And also I realized that I was kind of like sad type vibes coming from this video. I'm not really sad, so new people who are watching me right now, I'm sorry. I'm not depressed. Sis was just going through it that day, okay? She's fine, she's over it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this, and let's just get right into it. So I'm just gonna prime my lids with this. This is actually my mom's. She got it like, I don't know when, but it's really good. So shout out to my mom for getting this. Well, you're probably like, oh my god, like, are you going anywhere? No. Are you even wondering that? Because I'm not going anywhere. I just like getting ready for places that I don't have to be. All my friends are working, and I don't have a boyfriend, so I can't, I don't know. It's kind of sad out there in the field today, okay? We're not even going to discuss it. What crazy things have happened? I went to go watch, Captain Marvel. It was really good. Definitely recommend it if you're gonna go watch it. Honestly, I recommend watching, like, every single Marvel movie before you actually watch, like, the Avengers. There's some people that just watch the Avengers movie. That doesn't make bitch, the fuck? That doesn't make sense to me. Like, what? Oh, I created this look with the 35B palette. I'm pretty sure they don't sell this, actually. They don't sell it, but the James Charles palette is just like this, but it's by James Charles. And then I use this, I think this was like my first palette. And it just has like shimmer colors, and I use just the two green colors. But yeah. What was I saying? Oh yeah, the Marvel movie. Yeah, I definitely recommend watching it. It was so cute, and I liked it a lot. It makes sense, like, you know how you watch like a Marvel movie and you're like, oh my god, it makes so much sense. Yeah, it made a lot of sense. All you're doing is just putting this into your crease and buffing it out. Hello, welcome back. The next thing I'm going to be doing is taking this dark green right here and putting that on the top of my lid. Oh, just take like a flat brush and like pack it on there first, and then blend it out like so. Does that look good? I look like a lizard. Rawr, a frog. Oh my god. My life has been boring. Spring break was okay. Oh shit. Spring break is like, it's just like a teaser for summer, because like, I don't do anything during spring break, but like, I just love not being at school, if that makes any sense. Like, I'd rather be doing nothing instead of being at school doing nothing. I don't even do anything in school. It's such a complete waste of my time, and I hate it. I don't know why I seem so sad. I'm not sad. I haven't started my period, so it's probably gonna start soon. I'm probably getting into that time of the month. Am I right, ladies? Here's another topic. If you're from Texas, you probably have heard of Port A and South Padre. They're basically the two ghetto beaches in America. and you shouldn't go there for spring break because it's stupid. But like if you go there, I don't even know why I'm judging. I've never been. I don't think I will ever go because I just don't like what it looks like. I'll put like pictures and stuff, and if my friends are in it, sorry. But yeah, it's not even a big deal. It's just like it's just where you go have fun, pretty much. And I'm not like judging you, like if you go, like, cool, good job. I don't think I would ever do it because it seems kind of stupid. But yeah, it's the most ghetto place to ever go for spring break. Hi, me again. Also, I just want to say that if you're grown enough to go to the beach, you're grown enough to pick up your trash. Obviously, like after spring break, the news, when you're like watching the news, they always come on and like show the beaches like trashed and stuff. Trashed. So I just want to say, like, pick up the fucking trash. You know what I mean? Period. Like, you're ruining the world, the ocean life. So pick up your trash. Exactly why we're the ugliest beach, ghettoest beach in America. No shade, no tea, no shade. Do you self-hydrate for the rises? But yeah, I'm literally probably just being a hater, but I'ma do me, and you're gonna do you. I'll be right back when I'm doing something else. Hi. The next thing I'm gonna do is take this shimmery green color, Wahia. It is called, hold up, shimmer torque, whatever, oh my god, shimmer turquoise. I'm gonna take this. This is like, it's not a painting brush because I always use this shit. But I'm just gonna go like this. Just go like that. And then just put it on your eyelid. I was trying to make like a wing with it. Hold up. I need to focus real quick. Next, we are gonna smoke out. We're gonna take the 35B palette again, get the darkest green that you had, and then put it on your lower waterline, but like on the corner, and then you're putting the light one in. Does that make sense? Just watch. So you're gonna put it right here. You're gonna get this and get the lighter color, and then putting it right in the middle. Does that look the same? I don't know. Okay, then what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab this shimmery green right there, and then you're just gonna put that in your eye corner. I like to take my finger just because it grabs more of it. And then oh shit, that was my speaker. And then boom, you're done, baby girl. So now that we're done with that, we're just gonna moisturize the fuck out of our face because our face is ashy as fuck, like them knees. I'm taking srry. The next thing I'm gonna be taking to moisturize my ashy face is Pond's Crimson Moisturizer. I'm currently 20 shades lighter than my whole body. Currently breaking my face. I use the Maybelline Fit Me because no one got time to spend $30 on a translucent powder. just asked my parents if we can go watch the Captain Marvel movie tonight at the drive-in. Drive-ins are so cute. I wish I was born in like the 20th century. I wish I was born.
Hi girl, what's up? Where's my stretch?
He's not in here. Austin kicked him out like a long time ago. I wish I was born in like the 1960s or something like that.
No, how about like in the 1920s?
We're gonna contour my face.
Go in, go in.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not cutting any of this out. So what am I gonna do now? So I'm gonna contour my face with this. We are contouring everything right now. I'll be right back. I'm so sorry. Sorry, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. A bitch is going through it. Wait, I low-key, what the fuck? I'm popping this shit. I low-key snatched the fuck out of my nose. I'm using the Super Shock Cheek from, what is this? What is this? ColourPop. This highlighter. My bestie got this for me for Christmas and I love it so much. I'm gonna put lashes on and then I will see you back. Okay, I will come back and I will be done with this video. Okay? Hi. Oh my god, she is clean and funky and fresh. Oh, she kind of bad. So this is a clean makeup look. I'm not wearing any lipstick. I'm probably just gonna wear chapstick. I don't even know where I'm going, why I look like this. But if you stayed all the way to the end, I love you, baby. I have Ardo Wispies, just in case anybody wanted to know. This is it. This is what you clicked on the video for. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Anyways, I hope y'all liked it, and I will see you in my next video.
Slide on the pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of bitches in the icy chain. While you claim that you rich, that's a false claim.